How do you find flint to knap? First step is go to your local river, creek, any place where there's rocks, really. Next step is identifying your rocks. Now keep in mind, I am no geologist or expert on rock, but in general, a good rule of thumb is to find something that doesn't look like this. You want to look for something that's not grainy or sandstony. Stuff like this. That is not what you're after, which is a lot of these things. One good rule of thumb, one good trick that I've learned was you want to look for something that is smooth and glossy, like this. This right here, this is a normal looking rock on the outside, but on this side you can tell it has flint because of its smooth, waxy looking appearance. That is what we're after. Now you can see it in other pieces like this right here. Smooth, waxy, glossy appearance. Something that looks like glass, or looks like it could break like glass. This right here is knappable. Here's another example of the texture you're after. And when you break it, which is what I did here, this is what it looks like on the inside. Don't want this. That is something you can't really knap. Same with this. It's not what you're after. You want something like this. Now this definitely has flint or chert in it. See right there, that texture, that smooth, waxy look. Sometimes you gotta break into a few rocks to see what's inside. Yep, that's flint, baby. Okay, pop quiz. Who can guess which one of these rocks has flint or chert in it? If you guess this one, sorry. Is it this one? Yes, this is raw and rough, dirty, organic chert right here, baby. It's that peanut butter chert. This has chert too in it too. It's very rough looking, but yeah, you could tell it has some chert in there. When choosing a hammerstone for your flint knapping, I would look for a rock that is not grainy or fragile, something that breaks or chips off easily, because you're going to be striking with force. So a rock like this, I say, is ideal. This is very hard and very solid rock is what you're looking for. You wouldn't want something that's like something very cruddy like this. Yeah. Something that fits in the hand nicely, solid grip around it, and nothing chips off from your hammerstone as you're hitting things. Now, where to set up shop for your flint knapping. Right here's a good anvil stone. Smash your rocks upon. This thing ain't going nowhere. It is stuck in the ground. It's not wobbling around, it's not tilting or anything. There we go. Ball there. There we go. Just that fracture. Wow. Ooh, that is a nice cutting edge. Wow. Ooh, and another sharp flake. Let's see, where else can we strike? Might get rid of this bump here, this overhang. That's what I wanted, that little overhang off. Ooh, nice sharp edge. Go from right. Ooh, some small sharp flakes. Ooh, here's one. It's another good flake. There's some more. You can see where that came off. Right there. Look at that. Oh, That's already an arrowhead in itself. Oh my gosh. See all these flake scars. Maybe I can get one. I'll probably get another one down here and one right here. Oh, some small flakes. Those are functional too. And that's what the piece looks like now. That peanut butter flint. Just like that, you have a bunch of sharp flakes. A bunch of cutting tools, or even arrowhead pieces. Sounds like this. It's got like a glassy ring to it. And here's that core I was using. Here's another example. So I wonder if you can spot out any chart in front of you. Here's one right here. Look at that shiny appearance. Helps when the sun's out too. Here in southwest Ohio, this is what our chart looks like. But yeah, that's definitely knappable. Or you could use it for flint and steel or flint and pyrite fire starters. But yeah, if you were to knap something like this, something that doesn't look as pretty, something that's not as attractive, you flake it, it's gonna end up looking like this. I mean, you could still use it in a situation probably, yeah, but it's not gonna be as good as compared to one of these fine looking blades. There's a difference in quality. That's why the type of rock and stone matters. Yeah, I've done a little bit with some of this other stuff here. The difference is just, you could see it. I was trying to make a older one chopper. My new online store just launched this week. I have 8 designs on Redbubble, so please check that out. If you're into anthropology, archaeology, and primitive bushcraft, this is the shop for you. Be sure to click on each one because each design will be available in several different products. For example, this one was about flintknapping, so if you like the monkey man, there's a sticker for him for sale. Click on this here, you can see more that's available. Tank tops, shirts, stickers, phone cases, canvas prints, clocks, coasters, baby clothes, pillows, mugs, journals, pins, you name it, man. I got you. Purchasing from me also means that you are supporting a small business. Alright folks, that will be all for today's video. I hope you learned something new today. If you really enjoyed, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. I have a short video coming up that is more on the archaeology side of things. So I'll flip back and forth, more of like bushcraft, archaeology, anthropology related stuff. They tend to overlap with each other. Stay in tune for my next video. It is also stone tool related, so if you're into that, definitely subscribe and keep your eyes out for that one. It's about the Oldowan chopper, the oldest stone tool in the whole world, and also talks about the history of flint knapping. So stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one.